Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ kú dédé wò yìí níbikíbi tí ẹ wà tí ẹ ti ń wò mí tí ẹ sì ń gbọ́ mi. Ẹ̀yin olùfẹ́ ètò Yorùbá Autonomy Open Editorial Digest. This monologue ó dàbí pé rediffusion asọ̀rọ̀mágbèsì tàtijọ́ ni, ṣùgbọ́n mo ń rí èsì nípa àwọn àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ ètò yìí. Ohun tí mo fẹ́ fi tó wa létí ní sáà yìí ni wípé ìbò 2027 tó ń bọ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè tí ò ní èdè, tó ń bọ̀ láti orílẹ̀ ibi tó jẹ́ pé made in UK, made in Britain ní Nàìjíríà. Ọlọ́run kọ́ ló dá Nàìjíríà, Britain ló dá Nàìjíríà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbàdúrà sọ́lọ́run, Ọlọ́run ò tiẹ̀ mọ Nàìjíríà rárá. Ọlọ́run ò mọ̀, nítorí pé kíni, òun kọ́ ló dá, kì í ṣe iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Èṣù gangan tí wọ́n ń sọ wípé ó burú kò mọ Nàìjíríà, kò síṣẹ́ ọwọ́ èṣù lára Nàìjíríà. Nàìjíríà gangan ni ìbàjẹ́ Nàìjíríà. Bá a fẹ́ bá a kọ̀, bó ṣe rí gangan ni ṣe máa sọ. Kí ni ìbàjẹ́ Nàìjíríà? Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti wípé káwọn agbófinró kán má lè fìdí òfin múlẹ̀, kán má lè sòótọ́, kó jẹ́ wípé irọ́ gbáláú ló wà lọ́wọ́ wọn, pé bó o pe ọlọ́pàá wàá sanwó, má pọ̀ ọlọ́pàá sí ẹ wàá sanwó, bó o lọ pe ọlọ́pàá ní ilé iṣẹ́ wọn o máa sanwó. Oríṣiríṣi ọ̀nà tí àwọn èèyàn gbà ń ṣe ìbàjẹ́ ó pọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n kò sẹ́nìkan tó ń ṣe ìbàjẹ́ tó máa jáde pé aṣèbàjẹ́ lòun, tó máa wá sọ níta. Ibi tó wá burú sí jáì ni wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa tá a mọ àwọn aṣèbàjẹ́, bóyá mọ̀lẹ́bí ni o, bóyá ọ̀rẹ́ ni o, bóyá ará ni o, bóyá olólùfẹ́ ọkùnrin ni o, bóyá olólùfẹ́ obìnrin ni o, tá a dákẹ́. Tí nǹkan bá wá ṣẹlẹ̀ tá a mọ̀, ẹni tó yẹ ká tọ́ka sí, a máa sọ pé a fi orúkọ bo ẹni yẹn ní àṣírí. Orúkọ kílẹ̀ ń bò ní àṣírí? Ẹ ń bo ìyà ni, ẹ ń bo ìyà ọjọ́ ọ̀la yín mọ́lẹ̀. Ẹ máa sọ pé ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ yín, ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ yín ò sí, nítorí pé kíni, àwọn aṣèbàjẹ́ ti bàjẹ́. Ẹ lè jèrè ọmọ yẹn tí wọ́n ti ba ọjọ́ iwájú ẹ̀ jẹ́. Nígbà tẹ́yin gan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ èní, ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ bàbá tó bí yín, tó bí kálukú wa kò lọ́jọ́ àná. Ẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ yín, àwọn ọmọ tó jẹ́ wípé ẹ̀ ń làágùn, ẹ dàbí ẹdìẹ, ẹ̀ ń làágùn, ṣùgbọ́n ìbàjẹ́ kò jẹ́ kí àágùn yín ó yọ. Ẹ fẹ́ jèrè ọmọ tí ò lérè lẹ fẹ́ jèrè ẹ̀. Ẹ fẹ́ jẹun ọmọ tí ò níṣẹ́ lápá lẹ fẹ́ jẹun ẹ̀. Irọ́ ńlá lẹ̀ ń pa. Gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n pera wọn ní òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run, nígbà tọ́lọ́run ń pè wọ́n, kò sẹ́nì kankan tó mọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tọ́lọ́run ń pè, a mọ̀ ìgbà tọ́lọ́run ń pè wọ́n, pàápàá jù lọ nínú Bíbélì. Nígbà tọ́lọ́run bá sì máa kọ̀ wọ́n tó máa fi wọ́n ré, á ní woe unto you. A mà pé Ọlọ́run ń bá sọ̀rọ̀, a gbóhùn Ọlọ́run tá a bá ní pé ká tẹ̀lé ohun tí wọ́n sọ nínú ìwé Bíbélì. Ohun tí Bíbélì jẹ́ is basic instruction before leaving earth. That's the Bible. Now, when you rely on the Bible and you cannot tell the truth, the Bible that says if it is your left hand that is going to cause you to sin, cut it off. Now, you see someone that is doing evil things and you can not pronounce their name. What is your fear? Because you have something of such also yourself in the closet. The pastors that you rely on, they are just deceiving you. Look at banditry all over the place. What God are they calling on? Why is their God deaf, dumb? Their God is deaf and dumb because the real God that we believe in our hearts of hearts doesn't even know Nigeria. God cannot even recognize Nigeria. When the United Kingdom of Great Britain created Nigeria, God was not even around. They did not pitch it. God was not in the equation. So stop wasting your time. Adeboye cannot call on God for God to answer. You cannot say this is the prayer that Adeboye made and this is the result. Why? Unless somebody somewhere reveal what is about to happen, either by government action or by in business, in politics, in social life, that's when they can be right, because they have foreknowledge. Someone will have to eavesdrop and give it to them the way it is, in confidence. Then they will come out, they said, God will. If they know that somebody has promised that we give somebody a car, they will say, God will give somebody a car. Somebody will get the key of a car tomorrow. And that's because somebody has already gone to them, Dad, I want to give out a car. That's how those you call your high priests in Nigeria. That's what they are. They are liars, they are fraudsters. The pastors in Nigeria are liars, they are fraudsters. No God called them. Alien God, probably. God that nobody knows. God that doesn't even know itself. The liar God is the God that they call upon. The liar God is the one that they call upon. They cannot even pray to God and do like Elijah or Elisha for the bandits to come out revealing themselves and do it and sin no more. Because they themselves, they are profiting from it. The pastors are profiting from banditry. They are eating from banditry. The imams are eating from banditry. Even though, unlike the Christians, what is going on is the money are laundered from bandits to the mosques, to the imams, and so on, to the pastors, and so on. Those that are kidnapping, they are kidnapping for a purpose, to enrich pockets, to make money, and to end a civilization. What this civilization is banditry aimed at right now, in this generation, this civilization of knowledge. Education is what they want to eradicate. And that's where people in the Southwest now begin to feel offended, to want to fight back. They don't have to be told that this is the time for them to fight back. But will they actually be able to fight back? Because they cannot even protest. They don't even know how to arrange a protest. Let me tell you, this is how to arrange a protest. Those that are going to lead the protest will have to call the protest, let those that are going to join register with them, and keep that name, that we are going to organize a protest. And those that are interested should signify by calling so number. When people call and register to participate in protest, you know who is there. So that when those people that are not registered come into the protest, you know that they are either those that are made to infiltrate you. Now, how do you now organize? You organize in 3 to 11, 11 to 7, 7 to 3. So 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., those people that are going to mount surveillance, guard surveillance, you organize like that. Some people will work from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., some from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m., some from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. That's how to organize. Then people that we feed them, how do we feed those that are in the waiting at work? They are not going to live anywhere. You go to give them the food package, and they will know what the source of their food package. You call them that you are on your way, the people arrive, you distribute to them, they eat, and you do that round the clock. It's not just let us have a protest and then you go out there dancing show and be around town and all that and carrying placards that even the former Alimanjeris that are now bandits cannot even read. The one that you are protesting in Ondo State, nobody does see it. And that is life. That is Nigeria life. Tinubu, the Nigerian president, cannot say he knows nothing about the banditry. He may not know how to end it or how to end it. It's not that he doesn't have the power. He has the power, he has the strength, he has the army. If he wants it to end today, even if he starts at 6 p.m., banditry will cease in Nigeria. Tinubu knows what to do, but because he is feeding from it, a lot is riding on the back of banditry in Nigeria. A lot is riding. So we have people that are bandits in the Senate, in the House of Representatives, in different states. Do you know how many people in Jigawa are bandits in the Jigawa State House of Assembly? Do you know how many are in Borno State House of Assembly that are bandits? They are all over the place. We don't even know how many of them are bandits that live in the same street that we live in. You don't know if your security guard is one of them, just waiting. One of these days, you will not be home. The security guard will open the gate for the bandits to come and pick your children. Just wait. They have just been visiting schools. They are going to be visiting homes. Ìkáwọ́lérí àti ìpayín kéke ó ń bọ̀, ó ti dé, ó máa kàn yín, kò sí pé Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́, because gangan bandits tó ń bọ̀ ó ti gbàdúrà pé Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kóun rí yín mú. So ó dẹ̀ máa rí yín, kí ló máa rí mú, kí nìdí tó máa fi rí yín mú? Ó ní ìbọn, kò kàn fẹ́ nu sọ lásán, ó ní ìbọn. He who got gun have the power. No one understand that. Tá a bá ní pé ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ní ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye kí ẹ ṣe bí arọ tó gbọ́n tí ogun ò ní mú, kí lẹ máa ṣe? Oògùn là ń pè, ogun ló ń jà. Àwọn nǹkan kan wà tá à ń pè ní ayẹta, àwọn nǹkan kan wà tá à ń pè ní fọ̀bọn, àwọn nǹkan kan wà ní oríṣiríṣi tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan ìbílẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó dẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ bí idán. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá rí magic, kẹ́ ẹ wà níbì kan kẹ́nìkan ó ṣe bí Ìgbòho, nígbà yẹn lẹ máa gbàgbọ́. Ẹ múra sí ọjọ́ ẹlẹ́yà yín dọ̀la. Àwọn bandit wọ́n ń bọ̀, wọ́n fẹ́ẹ́ dé. Àwọn bandit yẹn wọ́n wà lára àwọn security guards yín. Àwọn bandit yẹn wọ́n wà láàrin àwọn tailor tó wà ládùúgbò yín. Àwọn bandit yẹn wọ́n wà láàrin àwọn shoemaker tó wà ládùúgbò yín. Ẹ̀yin ẹ máa wò wọ́n bí shoemaker, ẹ máa wò wọ́n bí carpenter, ẹ máa wò wọ́n bí àlùmáńjèrì. Ẹ lọ wò wọ́n ní Kòròdú níjọ́ tán bá line up tán ṣe bí atọrọ wọn atọrọ jẹ lọ́wọ́ yín láàárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án, tó bá di alẹ́ wọn á wá jí yín gbé. Wọ́n ń bọ̀ lábàá yín, ó kù díẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wà ní Aba Balógun ní agbègbè Ìbàdàn, ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wà ní Aba Bánirẹ́ ní agbègbè Abẹ́òkúta ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn State, wọ́n ń bọ̀, wọ́n fẹ́ẹ́ dé. Wọ́n máa kàn yín, kò tí ì yá. Ẹ̀yin tí wọ́n ti gbé lọ́mọ, tí wọ́n ti pa ọkọ wọn, tán ti mú ìyàwó yín lọ, ó ti kàn yín ni. Ẹ tí ì gbọ́n. Ẹ máa rọ́gbọ́n, ọgbọ́n máa wọ orí yín. Ṣé tán bá nà yín bí ifá, bí ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀, má gbé fáṣánlẹ̀, kò ní sọ̀rọ̀, kò ní gbọ́ràn. Ọ̀rúnmìlà ni yín, ìgbè lẹ fi ń gbọ́ràn. Ìgbè. Ẹ ṣé, ẹ tún máa rí mi gbọ́.